Oh shit.
Yay! The first snow. Can you hold it?
Hold that for you? Yeah.
No, cover. No.
Hold like that. Okay.
Yes, okay.
All right. There you go.
Lamig.
You're gonna get wet too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is all gonna melt. It's supposed to be a drive down here.
Hi guys. Lakas ng snow. Guys. Lakas ng
I just
snow.
want to get home.
Huh?
I just want to get home.
Okay. Whew. Di makita. I cannot see the snow. Wow!
It's gonna be heavy.
Kapal. Hindi nakikita yung snow. Woo! Guys.